Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team, and here are 5 reasons why the Sony ZV-1 is the perfect vlogging compact camera for you. Okay, so there you have it. Those are 5 reasons as to why the Sony ZV-1 is the perfect vlogging compact for you. If you'd like to find out any more information on the spec of this camera, then head on over to jessops.com now, or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.